In this EIE for Kindergarten how-to video, we'll show you how to prepare the trash collector handles for Here's the Scoop, designing trash collectors. Because the technology students design in this unit is so small, EIE recommends making one trash collector handle for each student. Students can work together to share other materials. If you decide to have students work in pairs to design one trash collector together, adjust your materials quantities accordingly. For each trash collector handle, use a piece of duct tape to attach a craft stick to the end of a clothespin.